Hi, my name is Kumar Swami. I am from Bangalore. Then I have completed my BE in Aerospace from Jain University in the year 2015. During that time, I had very low aggregate. Because of that, I was unable to get into my core domain, and I continued working in some non-IT sectors. But I wanted to get into non-IT. I had that long craving, but I did not add the right consulting and a lack of guidance. I was unable to get through. But when I was actively searching in Naukri, I saw the post about Evision Techno Sir regarding their internship. Then I contacted them. Then and with guidance and support of their administrator, I joined their 45 days uh, job internship on-job internship program. Then there I got exposure to real life real time work experience. Like I got an experience on troubleshooting. I learned various skills like Windows administration, CCNA, hacking related stuff, all those things. And Evision helped me crack the interview as well. And I got placed in I got two offers. One is like from WNS Global as well as from Infinity Data Solutions with 3 lakhs per annum. And Evision TechnoServe helped me a lot in get through this job. And um, um, I'm really grateful to Evision Technolab, and I suggest everyone, whoever is actively looking for job in IT domain, whoever want to transition their career into IT sector, uh, pursue the course or do the job internship program in Evision Technolabs. Definitely, you will get a fruitful career. Thank you all. Thank you very much.